Truly a space smartphone, Oppo Find X2 may turn out to be one of the most unusual smartphones of our time, at least for the design of the camera. The Oppo Find X smartphone was released in 2018 and was one of the most unusual devices at that time. Although even today this device looks different from others, especially against the backdrop of a trend when manufacturers stopped trying to somehow highlight their devices, making all of them look alike. As we know, Oppo Find X2 should be introduced soon, about which there have been only a few rumors. But today, images taken from a patent have appeared on the network, and in this video, just the new Oppo flagship can be captured. Not the fact that Oppo Find X2 would be just like that, but that would be pretty good since the devices on the images looks very unusual, probably even more unusual than Find X. First of all, this of course concerns the design of cameras. The source talks about the faces of the moon, but it is unclear whether such a name is in this patent or is it an analogy of the author. However, the analogy is more than appropriate. 3 cameras and a flash really resemble space objects. In addition, there is a circle cut off along the chart from above. So it seems that these are images of some planet around which the satellite rotates. Whether this circle has any functional significance or is it just a design element is not clear. From the rest, we can note the presence of the physical buttons on the side faces, as well as a clearly rather big traveling module with a front camera. It can be assumed that the missing part of the circle is drawn on the back of this module. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.